What's up, 9Round Nation? Drew the Captain here, and today we are covering the advanced way to wrap your hands the 9-round way. It's very similar to our 6-step method of wrapping hands. We're just adding a couple extra steps to help protect those little bones in those hands. So let's get started with step 1. We're gonna unwrap the wrap to get ready, and you'll notice, again, this is very similar start to the way that we wrap the hands the 6-step way. So I'm starting with my thumb through the loop. The wrap is on top of my hand, and it says this side down, meaning that side down on your skin. We're gonna start the same way we did before with a closed fist, and we're gonna wrap 3 times around the wrist, just like so. I'm gonna open up my hand, go around the thumb 1 time, and always making sure just to pull slightly as I do each rotation of the wrap, just to give that stretch a little bit of a tug right there, so then it's nice and firm of a wrap, but not too tight. I'm gonna come up to my pinky here. We're gonna go around the knuckles 2 times. Now I'm gonna go down and around. This is where one of the new steps comes in. From here, I'm gonna use the thumb as a base. I'm gonna go up in between my pinky and ring finger, all the way around and through. I'm back to where I started, and then wrap the wrist 1 time to make a nice base. Now I'm going to do the same step here between my middle finger and ring finger, around the wrist, and then through that last set right there. Now, what I need to do is come back up to the top, go over all of this 1 more time, securing all of that awesomeness that we have right there. Then we go down around, finish at the wrist, open that up, and we have our advanced hand wrap the 9-round way. Now, let's go over it 1 more time. You guys can wrap your hands right along with me. Okay, 9-Round Nation, there you have it. That is the 9-step advanced way to wrap your hands the 9-round way. I want you guys to try this at your gym, see how this feels. If this feels comfortable and you feel more secure, this is a great way to wrap your hands. If not, go back to that 6-step method. Both of them are technically correct. It's just whatever makes sense for you and your workouts. So give this a try, and we'll see you at the gym.